So I've created a contacts list, and I see some of the information I want to track, but I don't see a column here for city, and I think I might need to add a column to this list. But what I see here is a view of the list called All Contacts, and while it shows every contact in the list, it doesn't show all the details about every contact. Before I go creating new columns, I'm going to modify the view to see if this list already has some columns that I can use. Editing the view shows me lots of other columns that are already in this list, but weren't showing in the view I was looking at before. I can add any of these columns to the view, and there's the city column that I need. And just like that, I've added the city column to the view without creating a new column. Plus, I didn't duplicate a column that was already there in the list. Now what if I really need to create a new column? The easiest way is to click Edit at the top of the list. This puts the list in quick edit mode, and beside the last column, I click the plus sign. I have a few column types to choose from, but I want a different type, so I'll click More Column Types. Now I can see all the different column types, including the one I want, which is Choice. Notice when I click Choice, some new fields appear down below. I'll call this column Frequency. Give it a description, and then down below I'll put the choices that will appear when someone adds an item to the list. I have other options, but I like the defaults, so I'll just click OK. And there's my new column in the list. Now, when I go to fill in the values for the column, I get a drop-down list of values that I can select for each contact. When I'm finished editing, I click Stop. To add more columns, just repeat the process.